Namaste. So a basic structure of a joint, okay? So in our body, all the moving parts has joint. Okay, the basic structure is very simple. So this is the end of the bone, let's say here, the end of the bone, and this is another end of the bone. So between end of the bone and end of the bone, there's a gap here, okay? And there's a cushion here, the disc here, and it's connected by 4 muscles. So when you activate the muscle of this side, then your joint bend here, and activate on this side, this here and here. Okay, so this is the basic structure of a joint. So here, of course, is the basic one. Some of them have few muscles connected to different area. So that's a simple. So when you are doing yoga, so basically you want flexibility. So what is flexibility? How far are the bones, okay, apart? If it's very far, of course, then it's very flexible. So when it's very far means also the muscle is longer. So the risk is it is loose. Okay? If it's not flexible means that the muscle is shortened. So you can't move much, you see? Okay? The worst thing is if the cushion, the disc is very thin. You see? Whenever you move, your bone is rubbing each other. Got me? So this is what you don't want. This happens, so it will push this out, so that is a slip disc. Okay? That's the reason why we always say that do your extension first and then move. Do your extensions and then move. And when you move, up and bend, not bend. Okay? So up and bend. So that is the basic structures of joint. If you understand the basic structure of joint, imagine it. So when you do any of yoga pose, okay, just imagine any of the moving parts. Whatever I'm saying is happening just now. Okay. Same with the spine when you do an arch. So all the joint is going this direction. Okay. Can you understand that? Okay. So try to imagine that. Understand how your body moves. Then when you do your yoga pose or you do any other exercise as well, okay? So that's what happened inside. So how to avoid injury, in the future when people talk about this, talk about that, then at least you have an idea how actually it's happening, okay? Namaste.